Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about some problem related to the determinants and matrix. Now here problem 5. If a equal to 1 by root 3, 1 plus I and 1 minus I and minus 1, then matrix A into conjugate of transpose matrix A equal to first we call 0, second I, third minus I, fourth 2I here. Now solution of this. Here A equal to this, A equal to 1 by root 3, 1 plus I, 1 minus I and minus 1. Now here transpose of A, transpose of matrix A, in this case row change into the column. Transpose of matrix A equal to 1 by root 3 and this row convert into the column. Here 1 plus I, 1 minus I and this is minus 1. Here in this case transpose of matrix A. Now we have to calculate the conjugate of transpose A. Conjugate of transpose A means conjugate of transpose A. In this case, we change the complex quantity positive. If it comes here positive, then this is a negative, and if negative, this become positive. So that transpose of this conjugate of transpose of matrix A here 1 by root 3 and this is a 1, this is 1 minus I, so that this is equal to 1 plus I, this is 1 plus I, so that 1 minus I and minus 1. This is the conjugate of transpose of matrix A. Now we have to calculate the matrix of A and conjugate of transpose of matrix A. Now A matrix A and conjugate of transpose of matrix A. This is equal to A here 1 by root 3, 1 plus I and 1 minus I minus 1 into conjugate of transpose of A. This is here 1 by root 3 and this is equal to 1 plus I and this is 1 minus I and minus 1 here. Now multiply of this 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 3, this is equal to 1 by 3, and in the matrix multiplication only one method is applicable, row by column method. So that row by column method 1 into 1 plus row by column method 1 into 1 plus I into 1 minus I. Row by column method, row by column 1 into 1 plus I plus row by column method, this multiply this. Now 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, this is equal to 1 by 3 and row by column method 1 into 1 plus 1 plus I into 1 minus I 1 plus I into 1 minus I, row by column method, 1 into this, 1 into 1 plus I and plus 1 plus I into minus 1. Now row by, now here in this case determinant A and conjugate of transpose of A equal to this and conjugate of transpose of this 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 3, 1 by 3, and row by column method 1 plus I and 1 minus I here, row by column method 1 into this and this into minus 1 here. Now row by column method 1 minus I into row by column method 1 minus I into 1 and plus minus 1 and 1 minus I. Now here 1 minus I and 1 plus I here and plus minus 1 here. Now this is 1 and 1 plus I and 1 minus I square. This is 1 plus I and this minus 1 minus I. Now here 1 multiply this 1 minus I and this is a minus 1 plus I and this is a 1 minus I and 1 plus I, 1 minus I square and minus 1 plus 1. Now here I equal to under root minus 1, so that I square equal to minus 1, I square equal to minus 1, I square equal to minus 1 and minus 1 plus, so 1 and 1, this is equal to 3 and I cancel, 1 cancel, this is equal to 0. Here I cancel, minus 1 and plus 1 cancel 0 and I square equal to minus 1 and minus 1 plus 1, so that this is equal to 3 and 1 by 3 if this comes under this to multiply h element, so that this is 3 into 1 by 3, 0 into 1 by 3. This is equal to 1, this is equal to 0, this is 0 and this is equal to 1. This is the identity matrix I, and here we see that then this and second I, and so that our correct answer will be I. Now we see another problem here. Now question number 6. If a matrix A equal to A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, where A, B, C are real positive numbers and also given that A, B, C equal to 1 and transpose of matrix A into A equal to I, then find the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 1. Find the value of this, we have to calculate this. Now given that transpose of matrix A and we multiply with matrix A, that is equal to identity matrix I. Now here transpose of A, matrix A is here A, B, C, so that row is converted to column A, B, C, row A, B, C, B, C, A, B, C, A and C, A, B, C, A, B. This is a matrix A here, comes here, multiply this is I, so that 3 cross 3 matrix I, where only diagonal matrix is 1 and rest elements are equal to 0. Now we multiply this row by column methods here, A square plus B square plus C square. Now here AB, BC, CA, AB, BC, CA and this is AC, BA and CB, AC, BA and CB. Now here row by column method BA, CB, AC, BA, CB, AC, and this is B square, C square, A square here. Row by column method BC, CA and AB, BC, CA and AB. Similarly, row by column method this AB, BC, CA, AB, BC, CA, AB, BC, CA. This is also AB, BC, CA. This is AB, BC, CA. This is AB, BC and CA. So that this is a diagonal element A square plus B square plus C square, A square plus B square, A square plus B square, C square, A square plus B square, C square. Rest is comparing this diagonal so that A square plus B square plus C square equal to 1 and rest AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0. Comparing this, now we know that A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equal to in one bracket A plus B plus C and other bracket A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Now in this case, putting the value of ABC, given that ABC equal to 1, so that A cube B cube plus C cube minus 3 ABC equal to 1, and this is this A square plus B square plus C square equal to also 1. So putting this is 1 and taking common minus AB plus BC plus CA. Now this is a minus 3 comes here positive plus A plus B plus C, and this is A plus B plus C, and this is 1, and AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0, so that multiply this in 1, so that here comes 3 plus A plus B plus C. This is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Now we know that A plus B plus C का whole square equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA, and now A square plus B square plus C square equal to here this comes 1, so that this is equal to 1, taking 2 common AB plus BC plus CA. This is also equal to 0, so that this becomes 0, so that A plus B plus C का whole square equal to 1, and given that A, B, C are real positive numbers, so that A plus B plus C equal to 1, and by 3 and 4, 3 comes here, A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3 plus A plus B plus C. Putting the value of A plus B plus C 1, 3 plus 1, this is equal to 4, and find the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube. This is the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube. This is equal to 4. This is our answer. Now we check. Now here question number 7. If M is a 3 cross 3 matrix where determinant of M equal to 1 and matrix M and transpose matrix M is equal to I, where I is an identity matrix, then prove that determinant of M minus I equal to 0. Now, given that matrix M and transpose of matrix M equal to I, this is a given where M is the square matrix of order 3 cross 3, and also given that determinant M equal to 1. Now, determinant M minus I, this is equal to M, determinant M, and I can be written as matrix M into transpose of matrix M here. Now we take the common M, 1 minus transpose of matrix M. Now this is equal to in the separate form determinant m and determinant 1 minus m के power t. Now here this side change so that 1 minus sign comes here. This is a minus determinant m and determinant m. Transpose of matrix m minus 1 here and here determinant m is 1. Given that determinant m equal to 1, so that this is minus 1 and determinant m के power transpose of matrix m minus 1, so that this is a minus, and this can be written as determinant of transpose of matrix m minus I, and this is equal to transpose, so that minus determinant m minus I, this is a with minus sign, this comes here, one comes here and this comes, this is a minus plus determinant of m minus I here, this is equal to 0, this and this become 2 determinant m minus I equal to 0, so that determinant m minus I equal to 0, and we have to prove that determinant m minus I equal to 0, so that this is a proved our problems. Now we take another problems here. Now here, nature of solution of system of linear equations. Let us suppose that the system of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. Case first, if delta does not equal to 0, where in this case x equal to delta 1 by delta, y equal to delta 2 by delta, z is equal to delta 3 by delta, the system of equation will have unique solutions. Here in this case, delta will be matrix of 3 cross 3, whose element is a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. That is a determinant delta equal to this, and in this case delta equal to a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. This is the value of delta, and now delta 1, we remove the delta 1, means this gives the value of x, so that we remove the a1, a2, a3 by d1, d2, d3, and if you write here d1, d2, d3, that determinant will be delta 1, delta 2 also will be a1, a2, a3, and this is a d1, d2, d3, that is a c1, c2, c3, delta 2, and delta 3 will be a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, and d1, d2, d3. That determinant is equal to delta 3. So that the system of equation will have unique solution. We can calculate the value of x, y, and z. Now case second, if delta equal to 0 and at least one of this is delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 is non-zero, in this case no solution is possible. Delta equal to 0 and no solution will be possible, and system of equation will be inconsistent. If delta equal to 0, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 also equal to 0, in this case the system has infinitely many solutions. In this case, infinitely many value of x, y, z are possible. Thus, it has infinitely its it has infinitely many solutions and the system of equation will be consistent. Now we take one example on the basis. Now here question number 8. If matrix A is equal to A 1 1 1 B B 0 D C, B equal to A 1 1 0 D C F G H, U equal to F G H, V equal to A square 0 0 X equal to X Y Z, and AX equal to U has a infinitely many solutions, then prove that Bx is equal to V has no unique solution. It has infinitely many solutions, as here Ax equal to U, Ax equal to U. Here value of A is this, X is this, and U is this, and has infinitely many solutions. It means that determinant of A equal to 0 and determinant of A1, A2 and A3 equal to also 0. So that this in this case delta equal to 0, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, in place of this we use the notation A. So that determinant A equal to 0, we get the result this AB equal to 1 and C equal to D 0, C equal to D. A1 equal to solving this, A1 is equal to F B C minus D, and A2 equal to here, A2 equal to this, and A3 equal to solving this, AB is equal to 1 and H is equal to G. This is the conditions we get with the help of this, and apply this, prove that Bx is equal to B has no solutions. In this case, Bx equal to B equal to this, here X is equal to this and B is equal to this. Now we calculate the determinant of B, value of this, and we apply the conditions C is equal to D and H is equal to G. Here the value of this will be equal to 0. Value of this is equal to 0. Determinant of B equal to 0. Now we calculate the it means that determinant B equal to 0 and any one of the B1, B2, B3 is a non-zero, have the no solutions. So that we calculate B1, this is by putting C is equal to D and S is equal to this is equal to 0. But after solving here, in this case, B putting A square 0 0, first putting this, after this and after this, we get the value of B3, so that no solution exists in this case. And here prove that Bx has no unique solution, so that our result proved here. Now here question number 9. The system of linear equations x plus lambda y minus z equal to 0, lambda x minus y minus z equal to 0, x plus y minus lambda z equal to 0 has a non-trivial solution. Has a non-trivial solution for exactly 2 value of lambda, exactly 3 value of lambda, infinitely many value of lambda, and exactly 1 value of lambda. For the trivial solutions, we get the determinant here, product of this 1 lambda minus 1, 1 lambda minus 1, lambda minus 1 minus 1, this is 1 1 minus lambda, this is equal to 0 for the trivial solutions. Now we expand this plus minus plus, here 1 1, deleting this, multiply, this is lambda minus or minus 1 and plus lambda plus 1 plus minus this, deleting this, This is equal to minus lambda square and minus plus 1 plus minus 1, deleting this lambda minus and plus 1. This can be written as 1 minus lambda square and 1 plus lambda and 1 minus lambda. We taking the common lambda plus 1 here, this is 1, and this is lambda and 1 minus lambda here, and this is a minus 1, this and this cancel, this is minus lambda minus plus lambda square. We take the common lambda here, lambda minus 1, so that lambda equal to 0. If lambda minus 1 equal to 1, so that this is 1 and lambda equal to minus 1. Value of lambda equal to 1, 2, 3, and here ask me exactly 2 value of lambda, but here 3 value of lambda, so that exactly 3 value of lambda, exactly 3 value of lambda, and second is correct here. Now take, now here question number 10. If A equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, minus 2, A, 2, B is a matrix satisfying the equation A, matrix A and transpose matrix of A equal to 9i, where I is the 3 cross identity matrix, then the order pair of AB is equal to first 2, 1, second minus 2, minus 1, third 2, minus 1, fourth minus 2, 1. Now given that A and transpose matrix of A equal to 9i, A equal to this 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 2, 1, minus 2, A to B, and transpose matrix row is transferred into column 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 2, 1, minus 2, A to B equal to 9i 3 cross 3 matrix this. Now row by column methods, 1, 1 square 1, 2, 2 is 4. Here row by column methods, here 1, 1, 1, 2, 2 is 4, 2, 2 is 4 here. This is 2, 2 and minus 2, 2 is 4. This is equal to 0 here. And row by column method here, A and 2, 2 is 4 plus 2B. Row by column method 2 and 2 and minus 4 here. Now minus 4 here, row by column methods, this is 2, 2 is 4, 1 and 2, 2 is 4 here. Row by column methods, this is this, so that I am comparing the element here. Now A plus 4 plus 2B equal to 0, A plus 4 plus 2B equal to 0, so that A plus 2B equal to minus 4 and 2A plus 2 minus 2B equal to 0, so that 2A minus 2B equal to minus 2 and A minus B equal to minus 1. On solving this, we get the value of A equal to minus 2, B equal to minus 1, and this is equal to AB and minus 2 minus 1, so that answer will be this. Now here in this case, and this is our answer. Like, subscribe my videos, share with your friends. Thank you.